Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make second part video for line follower row. Okay. So as you guys can see here, this is the codes, and yes, that is actually the only code for the tinybit. And today we are going to demonstrate how the tinybit works, because now tinybit is now here. Look at this thing. It's I don't know, maybe. Okay, here you guys can see here. This is the tiny bit that I was talking about in the last video. And inside we have robot, tiny bit, and then also have a controller for the thing. And we also have this kind of this track for the tiny bit. So yes, you uh, can follow these black lines going to circuits later if we have connected codes for the tiny bit to this little thing here, the microbit. Right? Okay, so first we have to connect the microbit to this cable, micro USB cable. Connect it to your laptop, anything. Connect this to this. Where this? Connect like this. Okay, so now it's now on. Okay. Why? Okay. Um. So now we have that inside microbit. Oh my god. Wait. Now we just press download and it will automatically go inside. Codes will go inside the microbit because I'm using the application version, not the web version. If you're using the web version, it's a little bit more complicated, but not that far from what we are doing. Okay, here you guys can see it. Microbit. So yes, we already put a smiley icon in microbit. So yes, it's now not the code that my last code, the one with the notes. No, not, it's now the notes. It's now the code for the tiny bit. And now here we are just going to unplug this. Okay. So yes, just unplug that. Connect this to microbit. Wait up. So you connect this like this, like this. Saying so much like this, I don't know why. Okay, so that, hold up guys. Alright, so now it's in. And the next thing here, I am going to show you uh, how this thing works. Okay, wait up. So here we have the thing, the microbit connected with the tiny bit. So, and here we have the track. The thing that you need to do now is just to press this button here, this button, just take it, this lever, and then when it's on, put this on the track, and it will wait now. It will go. And see here, it's going with the pattern, even though it's not that smooth, but you get the point. So this robot can follow black lines. Yes. So maybe that's all from me. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this video. And if you think this is very useful, share this to a family or friend. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.